Ideally, scientists would like to catch a big earthquake in the act, right underneath a battery of measuring instruments. But first, they have to forecast where the next big one is going to be. It's catch-22. In California, they've gambled and put most of their eggs in one basket, at Parkfield on the San Andreas Fault. The decision was based on the theory known as the seismic gap.
Most big earthquakes around the world only occur hundreds of years apart. So while you might get repeats of earthquakes on a fault, you'll have to wait hundreds of years in one point. Well, that makes it really hard to plan experiments they're going to get over with in my lifetime. So at Parkfield, magnitude 6 earthquakes of about the same size seem to happen on the same patch of fault every 20 to 30 years. Not like clockwork, but pretty regular. We knew there was one in '66. We knew we were overdue for one, so we went there and gave it a shot.
In 1985, they issued a long-term warning, a major earthquake by January 1993.
And that was simply based on this long-term cycle of repeating earthquakes. We knew the last one was in 1966. We knew there'd been one in 34 and 21 and 1901. And so we made our best guess as to when the next one would occur. And we really thought it would happen by 1993. But of course, now it's 1995 and it hasn't.
In October 1992, they had a medium-sized earthquake and issued a short-term warning. Major earthquake in 3 days.
We had a magnitude 4.5 earthquake. That was sufficient to trigger an A-level alert, which triggered the state issuing a public warning to the people there. The earthquake didn't happen, so it was a failure.